Have you ever wondered about the incredible natural wonders of Indonesia? Today, we're about to explore the breathtaking beauty of this Southeast Asian gem. From its sprawling archipelago of over 17,000 islands to the lush tropical rainforests, stunning volcanoes, and serene beaches, Indonesia is a paradise of geographical diversity. Each corner holds a unique spectacle, waiting to be discovered. In this video, we're going on an exhilarating journey, counting down 29 of the most incredible natural wonders of Indonesia. We'll delve into the mesmerizing landscapes, captivating wildlife, and awe-inspiring vistas that make this country a must-visit destination in 2024. You can expect enchanting stories, fascinating facts, and the sheer wonder of nature's artistry. This isn't just an overview, it's an invitation to experience the magic of Indonesia, to witness the harmony of nature and culture in a land where the equator gracefully arcs. Are you ready to embark on this breathtaking journey through Indonesia's natural wonders? Buckle up! Kicking off our countdown at number 29, we have the mesmerizing Sembalun Lawang village. Nestled in East Lombok, this village is a gateway to the majestic Mount Rinjani and offers stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Next up at 28, we dive into the crystal-clear waters of Bunaken Marine Park. This underwater paradise in North Sulawesi is home to a dazzling array of marine life, including over 700 species of coral. We then travel to South Sulawesi for number 27, the unique cultural landscape of Tanah Toraja. Known for its distinctive tongkonan houses and elaborate funeral ceremonies, Tanah Toraja is a must-visit for cultural enthusiasts. At 26, we find ourselves in the presence of the magnificent Prambanan Temple, an ancient Hindu temple complex in central Java that stands as a testament to Indonesia's rich historical tapestry. And finally, for number 25, we circle back to Mount Rinjani, one of Indonesia's most iconic and challenging treks, offering breathtaking views from its summit. From ancient temples to underwater paradises, we're just getting started. Continuing our journey, at number 24 we find the stunning Belitung Island. This hidden gem boasts pristine white sand beaches and crystal blue waters. The island is also home to unique granite rock formations that seem to defy gravity. Moving on to number 23, we have the Komodo National Park. Known as the realm of the largest living lizard on Earth, the Komodo dragon, this park also features breathtaking underwater biodiversity. At number 22, we arrive at Raja Ampat. This archipelago is often referred to as a diver's paradise, with its rich marine life and mesmerizing coral reefs. Coming in at number 21 is the Borobudur Temple. This ancient Buddhist temple, considered a masterpiece of design, is adorned with over 2,000 relief panels and more than 500 Buddha statues. Finally, at number 20, we find Lake Toba, the largest volcanic lake in the world, cradled in the heart of Sumatra. As we delve deeper into Indonesia's natural treasures, each place becomes more astounding. At number 19, we have the ethereal Mount Bromo. Rising majestically from the heart of Indonesia, this active volcano is a sight to behold. Its name, Bromo, comes from the Javanese pronunciation of Brahma, the Hindu god of creation, and it's easy to see why. The surreal landscape and the stunning sunrise views from the top make it a must-visit spot. Moving on to number 18, we find ourselves in Baliem Valley. Tucked away in the highlands of Papua, this valley is home to the Dani people, who maintain their unique traditions and way of life, providing a fascinating glimpse into a different world. At 17, we have the enchanting Kelimutu Lake. This volcanic lake is known for its three-colored lakes that change hues due to mineral reactions. Number 16 takes us to the Gili Islands, known for their stunning beaches, vibrant marine life, and laid-back island lifestyle. Finally, at 15, we have Ujung Kulon National Park, the last refuge of the critically endangered Javan rhino. This park is a testament to Indonesia's commitment to conservation. We're halfway through our journey, and the wonders just keep coming. Starting the second half of our journey, at number 14 we have the glorious Tanjung Puting National Park. This gem is home to the largest orangutan population in the world, making it a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Coming in at number 13 are the Derawan Islands. These islands are known for their stunning underwater biodiversity, offering a paradise for scuba divers and marine life lovers. Next, at number 12 we have Mount Ijen. This active volcano is famous for its blue fire phenomenon, a sight that will leave you spellbound. At number 11 we find ourselves at the Banda Islands. These remote islands are renowned for their historical spice trade, offering a taste of rich history along with natural beauty. Finally, at number 10, we arrive at the Tajian Islands. This archipelago is a unique blend of rainforest-covered islands and crystal-clear waters, providing an experience like no other. We're nearing the top of our list and the anticipation is building. Cracking our top 10 at number 9, we have the enchanting Wakatobi National Park. A marine paradise, Wakatobi is teeming with an array of vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life, making it a dream destination for divers and snorkelers. Shifting gears to number 8, we find ourselves in the presence of the majestic Mount Semeru. Known as the abode of the gods, this active volcano's regular eruptions paint an awe-inspiring scene against the backdrop of East Java's sky. Next, at number 7, we journey to the unique Flores Island, home to the mesmerizing Kelimutu Lake. With its 3 colored lakes, Flores Island is a testament to nature's mysterious beauty. Moving on to number 6, we explore the ancient Deng Plateau. This volcanic complex is dotted with ancient Hindu temples, marrying natural beauty with rich cultural history. Finally, at number 5, we step into the traditional world of Torajaland. Known for its unique ancestral houses and fascinating funeral rites, Torajaland offers a glimpse into a time-honored way of life. As we approach our top 4 wonders, the beauty of Indonesia's natural landscapes becomes truly awe-inspiring. Entering our top 4, at number 4, we have the magnificent Lorentz National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of biodiversity, boasting a stunning array of landscapes, from snow-capped mountains to tropical marine waters. In this vast wilderness, you can find over 600 bird species and an astounding diversity of fauna, including the elusive tree kangaroo. It's truly a paradise for nature lovers and explorers alike. Moving on to number 3, we find ourselves on the enchanting Lombok Island. While it may be less well known than its neighbor Bali, Lombok has plenty to offer. With its pristine beaches, crystalline waters, and the majestic Mount Rinjani, Lombok is a captivating mix of relaxation and adventure. The island is also home to the indigenous Sasak people, whose rich culture and traditions add another layer of charm to this tropical gem. At number 2, we have the world-renowned Bali Island. Bali is not just a place, it's a mood, it's magical. It's an island where you can lose yourself in the chaos of Kuta, indulge in the luxury of Seminyak, or explore the jungles of Ubud. From its iconic rice terraces to its ancient temples, Bali offers a truly unique blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Taking the number 1 spot, we have the awe-inspiring Borneo rainforest. This ancient forest is one of the most biologically diverse places on Earth. It's home to iconic species such as the orangutan, the pygmy elephant, and the clouded leopard. And there you have it, the Borneo rainforest, the most incredible natural wonder of Indonesia. We've journeyed through 29 of the most incredible natural wonders Indonesia has to offer. We've seen the towering volcanoes and glistening lakes, the vibrant coral reefs, and the lush green landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. Every corner of this beautiful archipelago has something unique to offer, a testament to the diversity and richness of the natural world. We began our journey in the west, with the majestic Mount Krakatoa and its fiery history. We traveled east through the verdant landscapes of the Dieng Plateau and marveled at the stunning Lake Toba, the world's largest volcanic lake, a sight to behold. We ventured to the heart of Indonesia, to the mystical Borobudur Temple, a testament to Indonesia's rich cultural heritage. We explored the underwater paradise of Raja Ampat, a place where marine life thrives in all its vibrant glory. We climbed the rugged terrains of Mount Rinjani, a challenge for every adventurer, and soaked in the ethereal beauty of the Tumpak Sewu waterfall. Through these wonders, we've seen the incredible diversity of Indonesia's natural landscape, from the rugged mountains to the serene beaches, from the lush forests to the vibrant marine life. Each wonder has its own unique allure, its own story to tell. Yet as we marvel at these wonders, let's not forget our responsibility towards them. These natural wonders are a treasure to be preserved, not just for us, but for future generations. They are a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and our role in maintaining it. So whether you're an adventurer eager to conquer the next peak, a nature lover seeking tranquility, or simply a traveler yearning for spectacular views, Indonesia's natural wonders are waiting for you. Go out and explore, but remember to respect and protect the natural environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the breathtaking natural wonders of Indonesia. Until next